Hello everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing week. Currently it is Tuesday and let's get right into the charts. As you can see, Bitcoin is right now hovering for about, if we measure from here, 8 days in a row above this value area low, and right now we have tested this level again yesterday. And once again, we have bounced over from this level. Now, as you know, the more times a level gets tested, the weaker it becomes. But in this case right here, we might have to consider this to not be true. And if right now we hold after this bounce, then I believe we could start seeing that continuation higher towards that POC and maybe even sweep this high right here that we left above 67k. This is how I believe right now things will be playing out. But if price starts pushing towards the downside and we actually close some candles above this value area low, then we are going to be shifting the trend towards the downside, and we might go all the way down to retest the monthly open level again, and maybe even lower to take out the low that we made at around 57k. So basically the trading plan is, as long as we remain above this level without a daily candle close below it, then we are bullish. And if we get a daily candle close below this level, then we are going to get bearish and the trade is going to be very easy. Right now you could put your stop loss below this low right here and you can target the POC of the range for a nice risk to reward trade, and vice versa. If we get a breakdown from right here, you put your stop loss somewhere around the weekly open and then you target the monthly open for the same trade but towards the downside. So this is how you would wanna play this level right here with perfect risk management and very nice risk to reward. Right now it is, I believe, the perfect time to look for a opportunity. The stock market right now is holding above the monthly open, so if we remain above right here for the S&P 500, this is of course going to be very nice for Bitcoin as well. Nasdaq is a bit on the weaker side, but still right now we could start reclaiming the EMAs right here and target the weekly open once again. The dollar is right now, you can see the Dixie right here is trying to push higher, but as of right now we are hitting this resistance right here, which is the monthly level, and this new forming range that we have right now. You can see we are rejecting from this previous high right here. So if the dollar starts dropping, that would be very nice for Bitcoin and it would confirm my bullish case scenario even more. Ethereum right now, same thing right here, holding the structure well. Basically this could continue to do something like this, a slow grind towards the upside, or we could get one big and strong push towards the upside and then we reject. Solana right now is trading yet again below the value area low of this range right here, which is not great. We need to see a reclaim in order for Solana to start actually going higher. But as I said, it all depends on how Bitcoin performs right here. Hype right now is, as you can see, still around this ascending channel. We have actually broken below it. So if we want to get a continuation of this trend, we need to reclaim back into this channel, and then we want to see something like this continue to play out before we actually get the bigger move. Sui right now also still potentially getting ready for a nice move up, since it has been weak for a very long time. Same thing for XRP, trading around $1. We could still see that nice move up very soon, if we of course don't start breaking down here back into bear market price territory. That would be not great. But overall, for Bitcoin, we want to see price remain above this level, as I said, to be bullish. Right now on the short term, with the open interest and CVD, you can see yesterday we had aggressive shorts opening right here during this move downs, and right now most of those shorts are trapped right here with price going up a bit, not that much, only like 1.5%. It's not that much, but still there are shorts right now that are trapped, and I believe price could get a bit more move towards the upside. However, the daily candle is not looking the best since it does not have that big of a wick towards the downside. So we might see this daily candle actually reverse towards the downside. But right now, as you can see, we're still keeping the structure right here. And I believe the more likely scenario, as I said, it is not a financial advice, but the more likely scenario is still, in my opinion, towards the upside. We front ran the liquidity that we had down. We took some of it. As you can see, we also done this before last time, I believe, when we were trading right here. We also did not sweep the whole liquidity that was sitting towards the downside. We front ran it, and then price moved up quite nicely. So I believe this time will also be the same. As you know, history does not repeat exactly, but it often rhymes. So this time I believe we could very well repeat the same thing, leave the liquidity below us behind, only sweep like half of it, and then we finally go for the liquidity above us. Or it could happen vice versa. As you know, we leave the liquidity above us and then we go for the liquidity that's below us. Fear and Greed Index right now is sitting at 28 in the fear zone. Basically nothing much is going on here. Spot ETFs, we had a massive outflow yesterday, around 424 million, which is quite a big outflow, with BlackRock and Fidelity selling most of it, which is not that great if you are looking for longs. And the long or shorts ratio is right now, we do have still more sellers, which is clearly, as you can see yesterday during this move down, open interest going up, CVD going down. This means that a lot of aggressive shorts were opened up right here. So clearly more shorts right now in the market. However, you can see the bigger whales on Hyperliquid are sitting right now in a long position, which is giving me some hope. However, we do have some very important data coming out today. We got CPI data, we got the new Fed Chairman Warsh testifying. So he'll be speaking, and it's going to be very, very volatile during those news. And as you know, we could also get some news for the Iran-US conflict. So this is also something very key that you need to keep in the back of your head before you do some bigger size trades. Anything could happen right now, as you know. I believe also oil is going up. Yeah, exactly. So once oil starts going up, this is not great for Bitcoin, guys, and girls. So be very, very careful. Total market cap right now still trading below the monthly pivot. So if we see a reclaim of this level, then we could target the EMAs right here as potential resistance. And I do believe that this would cover it for today, guys. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.